Hmm. So whenever there is a sequence, there is a arithmetic sequence. So what will be the general term of any arithmetic sequence? A plus n minus 1 multiply d. Okay. So everyone knows that like the general term of any arithmetic sequence will be a plus n minus 1. If you are taking like that, na, the simple approach, if you are taking a minus d and p minus q, and a minus d and p minus q, so that will be like quadratic, na. I mean, you will be getting degree 2 after multiplication. You will be getting degree 2 after multiplication. Okay. And if you take a general term of any arithmetic sequence, so you'll be getting okay, any random arithmetic sequence, you'll be taking a as a 1 and d as a 3, or a as a 5 you are taking, d as a 3 you are taking, so you'll be getting 5 plus 3 and minus 3, so you'll be getting 3 and plus 2. So always you'll be getting what, something a n plus b you'll be getting. Yes or no? So the moral of the story is that like arithmetic sequence will always have general term as a linear equation. Okay. Linear equation. So suppose if you have two arithmetic sequence 1 and 2. So you'll be getting two general term. Okay. Tn, or you can write t dash n. So you'll be getting two general term like that. है ना. So a and b can be any real number, so you'll be getting 3n plus 2 first, from first sequence, and from second sequence you can get anything like n plus 3. And if you multiply, so what you'll be getting, actually you'll be getting quadratic equation in n, है ना. So from here you can conclude and you can note this point. So whenever you have a sequence which is formed by multiplying the corresponding term of two arithmetic sequence. Yeah. So any sequence that is formed by multiplying the corresponding terms of two arithmetic sequence, so that will be always quadratic equation. So the general term will be always what? A general quadratic equation. So this sequence, easily the another term of this sequence, you can take what, a n square general quadratic equation. Okay, in n. So that will become your nth term, and the first term is given. So what you can do, you can write t1 as 1440, t2 is what, 1716, t3 is what, 1848. That's it. So t1, that means substitute n is equal to 1, so we'll be getting a plus b plus c as 1440. Got it? Substitute n as b, so we'll be getting what, 4a plus 2b plus c is equal to 1716. Okay, and then you'll be getting 9a plus 3b plus c is equal to 1848. So very easy, you can write t1 minus what, t1 minus t3 minus t1. So we'll be getting, we'll be getting what, 9a minus a, 9a minus a, so we'll be getting what, 7a plus something 2b equal to something linear equation. If you're writing 2t minus t1, so you'll be getting what, 3a plus b linear equation. So solving this linear equation, you can easily get the value of a and b, no? So like that. So what you can do, if you don't know, so you can just work on your approach. What is your first approach, you can work, will be getting, it may become lengthy, no problem, but you will get the solution. Okay, you will get the answer. But if you know the trick, so you can use the trick. So that this is a tricky way to solve this question. For now, like for now you can solve this part, and whenever you will be getting multiplication of two arithmetic sequence, the corresponding terms of two arithmetic sequence, so the general term will be always a quadratic. Okay, using that point, you can easily calculate. Okay, so there is a one way. In another way, in the same way, what we can do, we can take the nth term of the given sequence. So given sequence is what, multiplication of two corresponding terms of two arithmetic sequence. Okay, so this is our sequence. So whenever we have noted down na, so this will become your main pointer whenever there is a like multiplication of two arithmetic sequence. So the general term will become a n square plus b n plus c. So what we have taken first term, second term, third term, first term, second term, third term, we have taken t1, t2, t3. To make your calculation easier, you can take -1 0 1 also, no, because this is three terms है ना. First, second, third, if you take first term as a -1 0 1, then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, so your eighth term will become t6. Getting my point? In that way also take. So if you take t minus 1, है ना, so it become a minus b plus c equal to what? 1440, है ना. So when you take t0, directly you will be getting value of c. If you take t1, so you will be getting a plus b plus c as what? 1848. So in that case, so it's all about your thinking, how you can think, है ना. So if you add these two, b get cancelled, so you'll be getting 2 times a plus c is what? 1440 plus 1848. If you divide by 2, so you'll be getting a plus c as what? This becomes 720 and this become 924. Okay. Yes. Now you can substitute the value of c here 1716 and you will get the value of a as a -72. Okay. Now you have the value of a and c and you can get the value of b, then you can calculate. Now your eighth term will be what? t6 will be your eighth term, no? Yes. So that will become what? 36a plus 6b plus c. If you calculate, substitute the value of a, b, c, you will get the answer. Okay. Okay. Good.